First thing we want to do is we want to set the CPU. CPU is there, an i5 Intel Core i5 2400. I believe this is a socket or LGA land grid array 1155 CPU and an LGA 1155 motherboard. Have to have these two things work together in concert for this to actually boot or post. So when we put the CPU in, there's a little indicator right over there that lets you know that's where this little golden triangle goes. And that's how we line our CPU up. We make sure it's lined up correctly. It should drop right in. Shouldn't have to be any forcing, any of that. And so we'll take that. In the bottom, you see in the middle, those are different cores and the internal graphics. That ain't quite right. My baby does a much better job of setting CPUs than I do. And we take that, slide it underneath, apply a little pressure, and we have locked down our CPU. Next up will be the RAM.